Hello, Terry here, and in this video right here, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to improve your communication skills even if you don't speak the language. Alright, but first, if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button so that way you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, so let's jump right in and get started. I'll share a quick story with you. Alright, I've been married to my wife for 23 years now. Okay, and I remember the first day that I met her mother. I was petrified because I didn't fully speak the language yet. Now, my wife is from South America. She speaks Spanish, and her mother speaks very little English. Okay, and I remember the first time that I met her, I was absolutely just nervous, scared, and petrified because the entire conversation had to be in Spanish. Okay. And I made it all the way through meeting my wife's mother for the first time. It was a great dinner. We had a great conversation. And although I didn't pick up on everything, I picked up on the majority. All right, so in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips that you can use that will help you greatly improve your communication skills, even if you don't speak the language. All right, so let's jump right in. Number 1, step out of your comfort zone and just talk to other people. All right, if you step out of your comfort zone and start talking to other people, I guarantee that you will discover that you know more than you think you know. So introduce yourself, say good morning, say the simple things, and I guarantee that you will start up some conversation, you will get a smile from the other person, and you never know. You may actually discover new words, things you didn't realize that you knew. And you will also understand that there's a lot of similarities in things. So just talk to people. Step out of your comfort zone. Just talk. Put yourself out there. I guarantee you that they're going to be empathetic towards the fact that you might not fully understand or know the language. Okay, but at least you're putting forth the effort and you're trying. All right. Number 2, watching, listening, and reading. This is very important. If you want to learn a new language, watching TV shows, videos, listening to audio, reading books that are in another language, I guarantee you that will help you to understand the language, see the words, and you will discover that there's a lot of similarities. So watch something, listen to something, and read something. That will help you get there faster to improve your communication skills in another language. All right, here we go. Number 3, practice, practice, practice. No matter where you are, there you are, and everywhere that you are, there is an opportunity to try to speak the language, okay? So here's a way in which you can do that. When you're out and about, once again, number 1, step outside of your comfort zone and just talk to other people. Number 2, watching, listening, and reading. Everywhere that you are, there may be something playing. Listen to that. Stop for a second and either watch or listen or read, depending on where you are, and then practice. As you're walking, say things. So if you see something over there, oh, that is that, and say it in that language, okay? Now, practice does not make perfect, but it does lead to improvement, okay? So practice, practice, practice. All right, so here we go. 3 ways to improve your communication skills, even if you don't speak the language. Step out of your comfort zone and just talk to other people. Watch, listen, and read, and practice, practice, practice. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed these 3 tips, and I'll see you in the next video.